guys, welcome back to my mini vlog. তো দেখতেই পাচ্ছ যে এখানে বড়ি দেওয়া চলছে আর আমরা ততক্ষণে আজকে ন্যাচারাল সানস্ক্রিন বানানো শিখে নিই। চলো দেখি। Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something super useful. How to make your own sunscreen at home using natural ingredients. Yes, it's easy, effective and chemical free. So if you are into DIY skincare, this one's for you. Why natural sunscreen? Most store-bought sunscreens are full of synthetic chemicals like oxybenzone and parabens, which can harm your skin and the environment. Natural sunscreen offers mild protection and it's great for sensitive skin too. Ingredients you will need. So, কি ingredients আমাদের natural sunscreen বানানোর জন্য দরকার? Here's what you will need. 1/4 cup coconut oil, natural SPF of about 4 to 5. 1/4 cups shea butter, moisturizes and protects. 2 tablespoons zinc oxide, the key sun blocking ingredient. 1 tablespoon beeswax, helps hold everything together. And optional, a few drops of essential oil for fragrance, lavender or carrot seed or tea tree. And then, what is the process? Let's get started. Step 1. In a double boiler, melt the coconut oil, shea butter and beeswax over low heat. Stir continuously. Step 2. Once melted, remove from heat and let it cool slightly, not solidify. Step 3. Slowly stir in the zinc oxide. Be careful not to inhale the powder. Use a mask if needed. Step 4. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oil. Step 5. Pour the mixture into a clean jar or tin and let it set at room temperature. How to use and store. Apply this sunscreen like any lotion, especially on your face, arms and exposed areas. Reapply every 1 to 2 hours, especially if you are sweating or swimming. Store it in a cool place. It can last up to 6 months if kept clean and dry. So, remember, while this sunscreen offers some protection, it's best for daily use with light sun exposure. For heavy sun like at beaches or hiking, use certified SPF products. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your DIY buddies and subscribe for more natural living tips. Stay safe, stay glowing and I will see you in the next video. তো এই ছিল আজকের লেসন। দেখতেই পাচ্ছ খুব মেঘ করেছে, ওয়েদারটা জাস্ট অসম আর একটু পরেই বৃষ্টি নামবে। তো আজকের মতো ভ্লগটা এখানেই শেষ করছি। আবার দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভ্লগে এবং আরও একটা লেসন নিয়ে। স্টে হেলদি, স্টে পজিটিভ।